We've cleansed the face and degreased to prepare for the dermaplane, which removes the dead skin cells to allow for the acid to penetrate deeper.
Now, does dermaplaning hurt?
No, not at all.
What does it feel like?
It just feels like somebody brushing over the surface of your skin.
Okay.
After about 90 seconds, we're neutralizing the peel solution.
Does the solution hurt at all?
No, it feels like my skin is tingling a little bit, but it doesn't hurt.
After we've removed the peel solution, then we do extractions as needed.
And why do you do them now?
Because the pores are open after the acid has been applied.
So it's easier.
It's easier. Well, you shouldn't work out for 24 hours because we don't want to heat your peel back up. And then we want you to continue on wearing your sunscreen on a daily basis. However, you can apply your makeup about a half hour after your treatment and return back to work. Now we're going to apply the moisturizer to the skin.
This is the best step. It feels like a massage.
Awesome.
Is it cooling to the skin or just feels
It is
good?
cooling to the skin. It does feel good. It's kind of getting rid of that little tingly feeling.
Now we're applying the sunscreen.
This is the final step?
This is the final step. The great thing about chemical peels is there's a wide variety of treatments, which allows me to personalize this for each patient's skincare needs.
How often should you get a chemical peel?
Ideally, patients should get some sort of an exfoliation every 4 to 6 weeks.
How does someone choose a chemical peel?
Well, you need to come in for a skincare consultation with your Maffi esthetician to discuss your optimal treatment plan depending on the condition of your skin, the amount of downtime you can manage, and what goals you have for your overall skin.